Hello children, now I am going to teach you about birds. Now birds, they have feathers. So they can fly, they have wings, they can fly. There are lot of birds. Here some birds are here. Now I am going to read some birds' name. Now here pigeon. And here, kingfisher, woodpecker here, a peacock, crane, parrot, hen, eagle. Right? Now here, some birds only here. They can fly. They have wings and their body is covered with feathers. They have long legs, short legs, some have long beak, some have short beak, some have here tail, long tail, here nice feathers here, like that. There are different types of birds. There are some of them are very beautiful. Peacock is very beautiful. Now we'll read again the names. Okay. Now here pigeon, kingfisher, woodpecker, peacock, crane, eagle, hen, parrot. Okay. That's all children. I think you know some more birds. My previous lessons, I taught you more about birds. Now here, few birds on. Okay, thank you for listening. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.